Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're cracking AsyncIO in Python, making your code run insanely fast without blocking execution. Instead of heavy theory, let me show you the core concept directly in code. Imagine fetching data from 3 APIs at once. Here is how we do it non-blocking. Look at the code. Define a coroutine using the async keyword. Let's print. Okay. Non-blocking pause. Yield control back while waiting. Okay. Let's print. And let's return. Okay. Launching task concurrently using AsyncIO.gather. Okay. Let's print. And let's print. Okay, let's run. Look at the code. Okay. Look at the output timing. Async def defines a coroutine. Await gives control back to Python while waiting for I/O. AsyncIO.gather fires all requests together. Total time 3 seconds instead of 6 seconds synchronously. Think of a smart barista at a coffee shop. While the espresso machine takes 45 seconds to brew for customer A, they take customer B's order instead of standing idle. That's the event loop. It's a single thread conductor managing two lists. Tasks ready to run, task waiting on I/O or network responses. When a task hits await, the loop pauses it and runs the next ready task immediately. 3 rules to keep in mind. Never block the loop. Don't run CPU heavy math or synchronous requests inside async def. Using async for I/O, best for APIs, databases, and network operations. Cooperative tasks. Async yields control only when it hits an await. If this was clear, smash the like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.